This short video is about checkboxes. So checkboxes are great if you have a lot of to-do lists and you need to stay organized. Highlight the cells where you would like to see those checkboxes. Insert checkbox. Now they'll just act like a regular checkbox, but nothing happens over here to the task list, which is totally fine. However, if you want to follow Alice Keeler's instructions of kind of making it a bit more interesting, what we can do here is highlight it and have a conditional format so that when this is checked off, this has a strike through. Just adds a little something. So we're going to go ahead and highlight that. Let's go up to conditional formatting. So this is our range. This is our custom formula. And we want to say if A3 is true, which means it has a check mark, then what we want to do is have a strike through. Let's give it a shot. So that just adds a little bit more of a visual of things maybe on your task list. Thanks.